So it no secret that the stock market right now in currently smashing thought all-time high, and boy is this market expenses. We have currently look at a scholar view of around 35. What that meaning is essential investors are willing to pay realistically double for the SP 500 as to what they should normally pay for it. Historical, we are also seeing a Washer GDP, a Buffett indicator of now 200, which is just insane considering like a full piece stock market is at about 100 and a cheap stock market L is like 50 to 60. But here the sticky thing, most of the US investor out there are passive investor. Passive investing is now by for the most common investing strategy in the world. Is the strategy of simply buying the whole market and just throughout your life, showing up predictably and just continuing to contribute to that broadly diversified portfolio. The idea here is that we consistently invest throughout our whole life and we simply get the average market return by doing that. There are no brain power involved. We are not trying to pick individual stock. We are not staying up all night doing research on individual business. We have simply buying the market and going along for the ride. And in all honesty, this method of investing has made a lot of investor a hell of a lot of money. It made a hell of a lot of just average Joe investor people like you and me. It's made us a lot of money constantly over a long period of time. But one thing I have felt lately, and chances are you have probably felt this too, if you are a passive investor, is just how painful it is showing up at this current time where every metric under the sun is showing us that the market is really quite dangerously overvalued. It has been quite painful showing up and continually sinking more and more money into the market. At this level, I mean, the things start to go through your mind. Well, what if you know the market is so powerful? What if a passive correction is around the corner? Do we persist over in those time, or do we kind of child out and maybe not buy out beyond ETF so much over the next detail while until the market is seen will not be dangerous anyone? Well, obviously that a very difficult question to answer. So I am going to take the cop out approach. I am not going to answer it, but I am instead going to let the grandfather of passive investing, Jack Bros, explain it. Instead interesting, I'll see in a second. This video is sponsored by Stack. Download the Stack app today and use the referral code and to receive a free stock. When you find your account details in the description. John Clifton Bros was an American investor, business magnate, and philanthropist, but you guys probably know his quite simply as the founder of the Vanguard Group and thought the founder of the low cost index fund, and those the person that start this whole movement of low cost accurately passive investing. You may not have heard of his before, and in all honesty, when we think about people like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, he does not really get mention among the most famous investing names. However, he really should, because by far has helped more people on this earth create substantial wealth than any other investor, and thanks to power of YouTube it is was just yesterday I was watching a 1997 series by Jack Bros himself, and that why I love YouTube so much. You can literally find pretty much anything you want to consume on YouTube. Anyways, I was watching this speech, and what struck me as he was talking about how passive investors should go about the investing at time where the market looks pretty decent when it's pushing like all thing high and it's look very overboard. So I want to share a couple of clips with you guys from this interview, and first of all listen to how he described the market condition that he was seeing then in 1997, and see just how well it messed up to when what we are seeing in the stock market today. In short, it seemed to me that speculation, betting on higher and higher valuation in this driver's seat investment, betting on the fundamental of divided should and earn growth in the back seat, probably even in the ram said. But when speculation drives stock return in the short run, while it drives stock return in the short run, the crystal clear lesson of history, at least the past 200 years, that in the long run fundamental drives return, so that tension has to be resolved, just like what he was talking about the run of what to the tech bubble. What we have currently seeing in the market is market return, the market being driven up by speculation approach to people investing for the fundamental of this business. And as I have discussed on the channel before, this give us to passive future scenarios, because here the thing price always at some point in the future while again along with intrinsic value. Okay, so you there are going to be period of time where even if we just talk about the market in general, the price of the market will be substantially higher than its instinctive value, and will so have time where the price of the market is below the intrinsic value. And as we see from history, as time goes on, it runs through cycle of being overworld, but the thing that we know is that at some point into the future, price will once again match up and with intrinsic value. But in time when the market is really overworld, what this means is it gives us two possible future scenarios with this idea that at some point into the future, price will once again match up with intrinsic value, so that tension has to be resolved. Let me you two extreme possibilities on a market drop of 35%. Just for the fun of it, this should lower price earning ratio to a more ratio to a more normal level of about 13 times. We are in a new run with stock return average 15-14 earning growth and a 1 divided, while rather than the long term historic norm of about 10.5%, 6.5% earning growth plus a 4% divided show. While in shorter new of boom time and high valuation that should justify today price level. Now of course it could happen, but I should bet the range of it. The US stock market whenever seem to be beating the range of it It's prints, I think, for the best of time and only for the best of time. Wow. So there you go, that fit pretty perfectly into the 2021 investing environment that we are currently seeing. Now he goes into a bit of details that, but he still essentially just talking about two potential possibilities what we can see within a market that very overvalue at the price is much higher than the current instinct value is scenario number one. You can see the stock price of the market price fall, so that again in the future will surprise meet instinct value, or on the other side of the scenario number two, what what should we see is a new economics boom time where business are able to grow very quickly, so not in the 10 per annual range but more in 20 or 30% per annum ranges, and that increase in growth lift the instinct value of the business, and those the market, and then instinct value is to meet the price there, the to that price can stand again meet value is an evaluation market, overvalue market. But then that beg the question, well, what should we have a passive investor do about it? Should we still be investing, or should we be holding up and waiting it out? Well, luckily for your Jack, give 5 timeless tips that should help passive investor navigate of even the most expensive market situation. On that note, then let me choose with 5 simple principles, a few ideas of what you might want to think about principles of investing that may help you first invest. You must, the biggest risk is the long-term risk of not putting your money to work at a gorgeous return, not the short term but nonetheless real risk of price volatility. Even though stock seem very high, consider what I say in book little plug there. You never think you know more than the market does. You have to be wrong if you do. So step and keep investing. The biggest risk you can take right now is not investing at all. I love this tip and I well Heather agree. I believe that no matter the whether passive investor should, number one, continue to show up. Remember, it is the ability of this strategy that we follow to work across decade, regardless of what market condition we see. That makes this strategy just so powerful. So absolutely the number one tips, I totally agree with Jack when he said this. No matter what the market doing, there are far bigger risks in not investing than continuing to invest if you are a passive investor. So first think fast, don't stop, second give yourself at the time you can at the extreme. If you are in the 20, begin in invest in stock. You have only got a little bit. If you are in the 16, invest more in bond and less on stock. But always remember that compound interest is a miracle and time in your friend. Second tip, in your friend who cares what happened tomorrow, next week, next month, across the next year. It really does matter for passive investor. Passive investors should always go back and look at what are the ultra long term trend of the stock market and buy into that. Buy into the long time trend. You, if you are able that a passive investor, basically everything looks great, a matter what starting point, like pick your starting point, go back thought the history of say the P500 or the X300, picks a starting point where whenever you like you can pick them the highest of the highest starting point. And if you zoom out across 20 to 30 years, really doesn't matter where you are start, you are pretty much always going to be make money. Third, have a rational expectation about for future returns, and he mentally prepared for market declines. Always remember, in good time and bad time, always these two shall pass away. I spend a full page in my book on that says speak of wisdom. If these two shall index pass whether your emotion can kill you, you should keep them out of your investment program, because impulse is your foe. Your emotion can kill you. I love this quote. Impulse is your foe. The reason that passive investing works so damn well is that strategy is impervious to emotion. You just shop, you keep investing, and it work. In fact, the only time when passive investing thought history has not worked is when the investor has been sucked into doing something silly, thought their own emotional, and has end up not following this stick passive investing dollar cost averaging approach. So don't let that happen for really on simplicity above all. There are too many who is doctor in the business with too many basic investing is simply a sensible assessed allocation of stock, bond, and reserve, a middle of the road selection of diversified fund, a carefully balancing of risks and return, and last list we forget cost which can kill long run return to don't degrade low cost index fund. That my only plug. Warren Buffett just happened to agree on better by his support on the importance of cost and on the value of indexing. A nice 30 party endorsement, if you will, for tips stay delivered. I mean, this is now easier than ever before to archive. You can literally by buying one single, if you can get exposure to EVD single stock in the intermarket from whenever you are from, right? If you can buy one stock and that can stack the SP500 or the whole share 5k whatever, you can buy one stocking acid passive diversification, and with economics of scale now it easier and also cheaper than ever before to get into those low cost index fund, especially when you are looking at companies like Vanguard or BlackRock. You really can't go wrong. It is easier and cheaper than ever before. And fifth and last, when you following all of those four rules, as I said, and I have means 1,000 times, if you're not 10,000 times, no matter what happens, stay the course. Good luck in investing in those interesting time. Thank you. Step 5, MR at home, just stay the course. I always say that passive investing is one of the easiest but also one of the hardest statistic to follow. Is very it requires not brain power, so is that aspect is a very simple stock investing strategy that is proven to work and generate a return, but this very hard to stay disciplined and continue to show up particularly in thought sometimes interval investing the same amount following the dollar cost averaging strategy. That is where the difficulty lie in the passive investing strategy. It required a lot of discipline to stay the course over decide to get wealth building, or that we are all in. Okay, so tips number 5, just stay the course. So overall they are Jack Vogue 5 timeless tips and should keep passive investor out literally in my market condition. But to really hammer home his point, I want to do example. Imagine you are awesome sitting in the room, in the audience listening in the speech in 1970 or 1997, and like probably a lot of you guys that might be watching this video, you want to get started with passive investing, but somehow is still, even after watching this video, you still decide now I am going to wait on the sideline. I'm going to put that situation back to 1997. Amazing if you are still in the crowd listening to Jack Bogle thinking to same thing. No, I am still not gone buy in because the market too expensive. I know I want long-term wealth creation, but it is too pricey right now. Well, even if you bought isn't the most you bought into a P500, the most expensive point in 1997, what should you have aside for 23 all years later? We'll look at this we should have a good time initially, the run before the thought brought the then you should have had a very bad time as the tech bubble open, then you should have enjoyed a nice run up again before the gypsy tour. Everything effort you should have been doing down again, and should have some terrible emotion going on that time, but you hang in there and other at least 10, 11, 12 years. You should have just seen a fantastic run up, but where should you will back then in the at the highest point in 1997, and the SP 500 was at 983 point, and now in 2021 the SP 500 is at 3800 points, so it must 3 times higher in 23 years. Ask if you invested 10k into the SP 500 when you at the highest point in 1997, the year that Jack Bogle gave the speech, and you have hold on thought chick and him to 23 years later. You have no sitting here in on 2021. You have almost 40k to your name, and what did you have to do? The main thing, nothing. You just had to stay invested. That why Jack Bogle say block out your emotion and just stay the course. But anyway, I thought that was an interesting example to fish on. They are Jack Bogle timeless tips for passive investor to navigate every single market condition, even if the market failing of a chill, even if it's all time high like what we are seeing right now. All passive or those principles apply. So I definitely records you to really listen to him. He the grandfather of passive investing. So thanks what he say on board, and it will be help you a lot with your passive investing. But overall, that for this video. If you wanted a step-by-step approach how to get started with the passive investing approach, definitely check out portfolio down in the description below. Check out the link down there. The course will to stock market investing for beginners, that is a 4-hour independent course which just describe and explain with example the full passive investing your idea and how to actually how to get started with that approach. So if you are interested, check it out down in the description. But that I will do me that today guy, leave a like on the video if you don't enjoy it. And it I say this all the time, but I definitely mean it every time I say it. It help out the channel a lot of the easiest way to help out the channel, and it is really does make a difference. So if you want to hit the like button stick, you will you all on second, and I really appreciate it too. Thank you guys very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. But that it from me. I will see your guy in the next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Now a lot of people reach out to me and they ask what brokerage site do I use when I am buying or selling US stock, and this answer to that is Stick. I have been using Stick for about 2 years, and I really like the platform. The reason for that is so growth, Comsec or NetTrap or one of the traditional brokerage site you want to buy international stock. You are going to cop 2 fees. You are going to cop a foreign exchange fee, and then you are also going to cap international brokers fees on stock. It is commission free trending, so we never pay the brokerage fee. The only fee you are encountering in the foreign exchange fee, and the foreign exchange fee is comparable to the others brokerage site as well. So I really like that. Plus, if you want to go to that next level and you want to be a trader, you want to get really into the nitty-gritty and do this seriously, they have got subscription option for that as well as their brokerage spec. But the best thing about this deal, what I do with Stick is of course the passive on some benefit to you guys. So if you download the app and use the referral code AWC, then you Stick up get given a free stock. You either can given a Nike stock, a Dropbox stock, or a GoPro stock. Now they are of different value, and yes, the prohibitives and widely recommend, but hey, it's still pretty good. It is a free stock. It is a better than a pick in the eye, that for sure. So if you want to check and our Stick is the brokerage site I use. I have left the link down in the description below. Remember to use that referral code AWC, get your free stock and get luck with your investing. Thank always to Stick for sponsorship those video. Thanks to you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much.